Alright, as you can see here, we've started in my drive. We're going to take a look at Wevideo today. To connect Wevideo, you have to go to New. And as you can see right here, mine is located already in my main lineup because I've already downloaded it. But for those of you that wouldn't have it, you would go to Connect More Apps. You can search for Wevideo. There it is. Yours will say Connect. When you click on Connect, it's going to ask you to confirm. You will. And then it'll be attached to your drive, and the way you can always tell is that you have that green plus there, which is really nice. So I'm going to close out of that because I already have it. But when you click on New and you click on Wevideo Editor, it'll bring up a new tab. As you can see here, it's going ahead and loading. I already have two different sample projects. The more projects you create, the more things that'll be listed here. Since we're working on a sample Africa project, I've created two of those because I was working on two different videos. Right now I'm going to start on the one that doesn't have a video completed already. This video, as you can see, I've started it. It's not completed, but I've started it. So I'm going to go to Create New Video. If you did not have these projects started, you would come up here and click on New Project. So let's do that. You can enter a name for your project. So Africa Sample, I'm going to label it today's date, which is the 26th, and hit Create. As you can see, it added it to my list down here on the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and click Create New Video, and that should take me into the video editor that I need. Takes a few minutes to get it loaded. And then you can see I have my whole editing software available to me here. These are all of the media that I've already uploaded. I have a few videos and pictures in there from different times that I've tried. You can also record audio, either audio or video, and upload your own media. Down here, this is where you'll be putting all of your information. If you have videos, the main thing that you want to show. You can also add audio and a voiceover. The voiceover is a really cool thing to have. So I'm going to show you how to first add a new document or something that you would like to add to your presentation. For those of you working on the Africa project, this would be pictures. So there's a couple different options that you have. You can browse from your computer, so any files that you'd have on your computer, or you can upload from Drive, Instagram, Flickr, all of these different things that we have. Clearly, we're probably going to be using Drive because we're on the Chromebooks, and that's where our files are going to be saved. Pops open a new window for us, and you have all of your different folders that you can select from. Now, I'm just uploading some samples, so I'm going to upload actually from my Wevideo folder because that's where I've put my samples in. I'm going to upload this video that I have. It's an MP4, which means it's either music or video, and I'm going to upload that into my project. You can upload more than one thing at once. You'll just have to make sure that you're putting it in the right spot. You can see it kind of went through a blue process. Now we're waiting for it to finish loading, which will be this whole green taskbar here. You have 5 gigs of space, plenty of space to save things. As you can see, I have a couple videos and pictures in there already, and I'm only using 0.02, so you have plenty of room. We'll just wait on it to finish uploading here. Once you see 100%, you can go back to your timeline. Your screen will refresh a little bit, and there's my new video. And from there, it's very, very simple. You can just click and drag to where you want that stuff to sit. So I've added this video. This is my preview window right here. When I click on play, I get a preview of what I've already added. If I wanted to add an image, I can drag it down in the same spot, which will put it over it, which we probably don't want. But I can also put it after my video. You do have the ability to add transitions in here, as well as themes and a couple other things, and some audio, which we'll go over later in the next video. We're going to take a look at recording some audio in here, because I know for many of your Africa projects we're going to be doing some voiceovers. What you're going to come down here is click on the voiceover button, and you're going to hover over that little red microphone. It says click the auto record button to record voiceover. The recording will be added to the position of the playhead. Playhead is what they're talking about right here. So we can go ahead and record with our microphone. You hit record. It gives you a nice countdown. And then now I can record what I would like to over this recording. When I hit stop recording, it will save it. I always have to give it a few seconds. But as you can see, now I have a voice recording over this point in my video, or I could decide and move it to over my picture.